Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blox Fruits. To begin, understand that Blox Fruits are special items that give you incredible abilities, transforming your gameplay. You can acquire these powerful fruits by finding them under trees every 1 hour, or by purchasing them from the Blox Fruit dealer's stock, which refreshes every 4 hours. Remember, once you eat a new fruit, its powers replace any previous fruit you had. Blox Fruits come in 3 main categories: natural, elemental, and beast. Elemental fruits are particularly useful, granting passive immunity to physical attacks from non-hacky users and lower-level enemies. For example, the light fruit allows flight and powerful light-based attacks. Each fruit offers a unique set of up to 6 distinct abilities, which you unlock as you gain mastery. Choosing the right fruit can significantly impact your combat style. To effectively use your Blox Fruit, focus on increasing its mastery by repeatedly using its abilities in combat. This unlocks new, more powerful moves. Consider pairing your fruit with a complementary fighting style, like Electric Claw or Superhuman, to create devastating combos. Allocate your stat points wisely, prioritizing Blox Fruit and melee to maximize your damage and overall effectiveness in both player versus player and player versus environment encounters. For advanced players, Fruit Awakening is a game changer. This process significantly enhances your fruit's existing abilities, often granting new moves and increased damage. To awaken a fruit, you must complete specific raids and collect a special currency called fragments. Awakened fruits provide a substantial power boost, making you much stronger in both combat and exploration, offering a truly elevated gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.